Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? This is their U500 model. So it is very powerful when it comes to suction. The maximum suction rate on this thing is 35,000 PA. So it does very, very well. And it has 3 different modes. So you're gonna see, basically you're just gonna tap the little mode button, which looks kind of like a star. And it's gonna go from an eco mode, which is kind of the low. It's great for utilizing on rugs or if you're like vacuuming furniture. The standard mode is pretty much the mode that I use throughout my whole house. I have nothing but wood floors and tile, so it works very, very well for me on the standard mode. And then you have your turbo mode. So if you have any kind of like bigger debris, chunks of food, that kind of stuff, and you're wanting to pull all that up very easily, then you're gonna wanna utilize that turbo mode. Just note it's gonna chew through the battery a lot faster on the turbo mode. Speaking of battery life, how long is the battery going to last? On that standard mode, you're gonna get about 60 minutes out of it. Like I said, it's gonna depend on how often you're utilizing those various modes. Give you perspective, I have an 1,800 square foot home, and I can easily vacuum the whole house on one go with the battery. And then as soon as you dock it, it will start self-charging itself. There is a battery icon that will let you know when you're starting to run low. Naturally, all this is going to be covered in the user manual, but like I said, we're covering a lot of the features right here in the video. Now, another really cool aspect of this vacuum cleaner is it does have a self-emptying mechanism like I touched earlier. So as soon as you dock it, it will basically turn on and go ahead and empty into the dustbin. Now, one of the nice features I like about this thing is there is a mechanism inside the canister that lowers and raises as it is sucking. That's really pulling out all the rest of the debris and the hair and just all the gunk out to make sure it goes into the bag. The bag itself is about a 1.8 liter bag. It's this nice long kind of slender bag. Once it's basically used up, you just simply toss this in the trash can. But it's nice because while it's going in the bag and you're trying, versus trying to empty that canister in your trash can, especially if you have like an indoor setup, you don't have to worry about that dust and getting reintroduced into the air. As far as the dustbin, it is just right there on the side, so it's very easy to access. It just slides in and out. And there's even a little sponge filter at the bottom, so any of the air that comes through it is also going through an additional filter just in case any dust gets into it. Now, as you can see, the base station itself is very, very slender. It's nice. Doesn't take up a lot of room. So whether you have this in a laundry room, a garage, closet, it's not gonna take up a big square footage of space. It just plugs in the back side of it. The vacuum cleaner sits on the top part. There's a slight angle of it. And then comes with 2 tools. You're gonna get your standard long wand, which is great for getting in between couch cushions and things like that, or in your car. And then you're gonna have your typical brush wand. This is for larger surfaces, so like your couch cushions and chairs, and then you can kind of do the brush part if you've got anything that you're worried about getting scratched. But both of those live right there on the side of the mechanism, which is nice because that means you're not going to lose them. They're right here. They're always easy to grab and utilize. Now, as far as the vacuum cleaner itself, very well balanced, very comfortable to hold, especially if you have several stories. You can easily carry this up and down. Has a nice large size handle. The battery part is on the back, which makes it well balanced. The buttons are on the front. So you're gonna have your power button, which is gonna turn it on. And then, like I said, below that is your mode button, which is gonna show you a light up. It will show you the 3 options, so that way you always know what you're utilizing it. Then you have your, basically your dust liter bin here, and you can easily see how much dirt is in it. I do recommend cleaning this about twice a year. Just make sure it's nice and clean. So that way it maintains its great suction power that it has in case any of the dust eventually builds up on the coil. Then you have a nice extension here. This is removable, so if you do want to put this in a handheld mode to go vacuum up curtains, go vacuum your car, you can do that. It's easy to basically put them out there. These little copper buttons so they stand out themselves. Now you'll notice very, very low profile. The head itself rotates 180 degrees, very easy to get underneath the furniture that you may have, whether it's a bed, whether it's a kind of a dresser setup or whatever, it's easy to get underneath there. Now, as far as the brush head itself, it's a nice V shape. The V shape's really nice because it helps keep hair from getting tangled. However, if you do get any kind of tangled hair, you can pop this off and easily trim it, and so make sure your brush is spinning really, really well. Now, another nice feature is at the tip of the brush head mechanism here, it has a nice green light. The green light's really great because it will light up any of the debris that you may have missed, making it easy to spot so you can go over and hit that vacuum cleaner again and get it all sucked up. There's also some felt pads at the end, so as you are hitting your baseboards, it's not going to scratch either the unit itself or your baseboards, which is just a nice little protection on it, little aspect that I liked about it. Now, as far as that filtration, as it's going through here, it does have a 7-stage filtration system, which is what's helping maintain that dust, making sure that dust gets all sucked into the vacuum cleaner so you can dispose of it instead of reintroducing it throughout your home, which is a great aspect I love about it. But overall, like I said, if you're in the market and you're looking for a great vacuum cleaner to replace maybe your old one that just isn't doing a great job, the one here by UWANT is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.